Good morning. I want to demonstrate a new blender bottle that my brother taught me about that is the bomb. I'm making my greens, and you all have seen in the past I've done it with a milk frother, and I do love the milk frother, but I think I like this even better. This cup, and I'm going to send you the link to it, it's called Helimix, and if you can see, it is shaped on the inside differently so that when you shake it up and down, it creates like a centrifugal force, and it really breaks down all the powders. So this is great for making protein shakes, but I really love it because I do a 5-ingredient concoction for my greens. I just put my scoop of greens in here, my Superfood Greens, which is 36 fruits and veggies. And then I stopped because I thought I need to make a video because I want to demonstrate how this cup works. But what I also put in my greens concoction is my gut health, which is my 3-in-1 prebiotics, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. These are so great for gut health, so I'm going to dump those in there. I also like to put the cherry lime mind health. It's got the coenzyme Q10, which is so great for mental clarity and focus. I also put in a skin elixir, which is a vegan collagen builder, great for hair, nails, and skin. Now I also put in a fizz stick, but I like to shake beforehand because you just don't want to shake up the fizz that much. But if you see the video that the company makes, they say to shake it like 30 times. And in doing so, it completely will break down any of the powders. They even demonstrate it with a scoop of peanut butter, and then they pour it through a strainer, and it's just liquefied. So after I shake it up really good like that, I then put in my fizz stick, and I just give it a little bit of a shake on that. Because it's carbonated, you don't really need a whole lot of shake for that. But I put the top back on. I do just a little one of these, and then I just guzzle this. I guzzle it because the gut health needs to be consumed within 15 minutes or less, so that it starts to help with the digestion process in your belly, not in your cup. So I just do a quick guzzle of this, and that's it. That's how I make my greens cocktail. But I'm going to send you a link to this shaker cup because it is the best. There's no kind of ball or anything in it. It is wonderful. So I hope this is helpful.